Hello everyone, today I'm going to complete part 2 in تحصيلي math. We stopped here at number 26. Here, find the limit of 6x by 2x plus 3. I told you I have 3 cases to find the limit when x approach to infinity. Of degree of numerator greater than degree of denominator, the infinity here, the limit here is infinity. Okay? Of degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, the limit here is 0. Of degree of numerator equal to degree of denominator, how to find the limit here? You have to divide coefficient of numerator, divide coefficient of denominator. Look here, 6x to the power 1 divide 2x to the power 1 plus 3, same degree. So you have to divide coefficient. Okay, so it's going to be 6 divided 2 equal 3. They have the same degree. Okay, number 27. In the figure of x equal to y, what's the value of x? Here, angle sum of triangle, the sum of angle of triangle equal 180. Okay, so here x plus y equal 180. Sum of angle of any triangle equal 180 degree. Here x equal to y, so 2y plus 2y plus y equal 180. 2y plus 2y plus y equal 5, y equal 180. Divide both side by 5. So it's going to be y equal, here's 3 times 5, 15. It's going to be 36. Okay, so y equal 36. So asking me to find x equal to y. So you have to divide 36 times 2 equal 72. Equal 72. Okay. Number 28. What's the value of x in the figure? You're asking me to find the value here. This triangle is equilateral triangle. So each angle here is equal 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Here, this triangle. Here I have two sides equal. Okay, congruent. So here this angle is 80. So each angle here is 180 minus 80 equal 100. Both of them 100 divided by 2. They are congruent angles, so each one equal 50 degree. Okay, equal 50 degree. Here, this angle is straight angle. Straight angle equal 180. So how to find x? Measure of angle x equal 180 minus 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60 equal 110. 180 minus 110, so it's gonna be 70 degree. Okay, 70 degree. So here equilateral triangle, each angle equals 60 degree, and here isosceles triangle, the angle of base are congruent. Okay, the two angles that opposite to the two sides that are congruent also. Okay, here 50-50. So here this angle is a straight angle 180 minus 110 is going to be 70 degree. In the figure, find the perimeter of the shaded triangle. Here, this is isosceles triangle. Here 15. This side is 15. Here, this angle is 60 degree. So each angle here is also 60 degree. Okay, so this angle are congruent. So this triangle is equilateral triangle. Here 15, 15. So it will be 15 also. How to find the perimeter of any shade, of any triangle or any shape? You have to find the sum of surround side. It's going to be 15 plus 15 plus 15. It's going to be 3 times 15 equal 45. Okay, it's going to be 45. Number 30. In the figure, triangle DCE is similar to triangle ABE. Okay, what's the type of congruent of AZ? He asked me to find. I have many cases of similarity of triangle or congruence of triangle. SSS means side. SAS side angle side. This angle must be included angle. Okay, must be included angle. And here ASA mean angle side angle, and here AAS angle side. Look here, this side congruent to this side, and this angle congruent to this angle. Both of them 90 degree, and this angle also congruent to this angle. They are opposite angle or vertical angle. Okay, opposite angle. So here angle side angle congruent to angle side angle ASA. So the two triangles are congruent by ASA. It will be letter C, ASA. Number 31. In the figure, if Fy equal 10 centimeter, Fy equal 10 centimeter, and xy here equal 8, okay, what's the length of FZ? Okay, here this ray bisect this angle, and here perpendicular, so the same, this point is equidistant from both sides, okay, FZ equal Fx, okay. So when you find, as you find Fx, you can find Fz. Here in this triangle is right triangle, here, right triangle, here 10, hypotenuse is 10, and here this leg is 8. How to find the other leg? You can use Pythagorean theorem. 10 square minus 8 square equal 100 minus 64 equal 36. Then find the square root of 36 equal 6. Okay, 6 centimeter. So Fz equal congruent to Fx, so it's gonna be 6 also. Okay. This ray must bisect this angle. Okay. So in a point, this ray is equidistant from the two sides of this triangle. Which of the following lengths can be the length of the side of the triangle? Okay. Inequality in triangle. The sum of any two sides must be greater than or equal the third side. Okay, if I have triangle ABC, A plus B must be greater than or equal C, or A plus C greater than or equal B, or B plus C must be greater than or equal LA. This is inequality in triangle. So here 5 plus 5A greater than 3, 3 plus 5A greater than 5. Okay, this can be length of side of triangle. But here 4 plus 4, 8, no greater than 11. 3 plus 5, 8, no greater than 17. 3 plus 6, 9, no greater than 10. Okay, the sum of two sides must be greater than or equal third side. Okay, look here, if the shape is regular hexagon, okay, regular hexagon. Here, this angle is exterior angle, and sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360. Okay, of any polygon, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. Okay, so 360. To find any exterior angle, you have to divide by number of sides. Here 6. 360 divided 6 is going to be 60 degrees. So value of x equal 60 degrees. Okay, 360 divided by 6 equal 60 degrees. What's the value of x plus y? Number 34. What's the value of x plus y? Look here. This pentagon. How to find sum of angle of pentagon? Pentagon n minus 2 times 180 to find sum of measure of any polygon. Here number of side 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 times 180 equal 540. Okay, so here 2x, x plus x, 2x plus 2y plus 160 equal 540. Okay, 540. Subtract 160 from both sides. Okay, so it's gonna be 380. So 2x plus 2y equal 360. 380. Divide both sides by 2. So here x. So x plus y equal 3 divided to 1 equal 190. Equal 190. Okay. So here first of all you have to find sum of pentagon. Okay, from this rule n minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2, 3, 3 times 180 equal 540. Then subtract 160 to find 2x plus 2y, and then you can factor out 2. You can factor out 2, like here x plus y equal 380, and then divide both sides by 2. Okay, it's gonna be 190. Number 35. A rectangle WXYZ, if WX equals 6 centimeter and WZ equal 8. Okay, we know that from properties of rectangle that it has 4 right angle. Okay, so we can apply Pythagorean theorem and find xz. X is 6, 8, 10. Okay, 6, 8, 10. This treble. Okay, in Pythagorean theorem. Okay, a right triangle like 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, like this. Okay, so here xz equal 10, and here a rectangle, the two diagonals are congruent. Okay, two diagonals are congruent, a rectangle. Okay, so here wy equal xz equal 10, equal 10. They are congruent. The two diagonals are congruent in square and rectangle, in square and rectangle, and the perpendicular in square and rhombus. If the shape was rectangle, okay, here I told you that diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. Okay, so here this segment equal to this segment equal to this equal to this. So x plus 3 equal 19. Subtract 3 from both sides. So x equal 16. Okay, so x equal 16. Those diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. Number 37, its limit also. They have the same degree, numerator and denominator same degree. So we have to divide coefficient leading term 3x, 2x. So it's going to be 3 over 2. 3 over 2. They have same degree. And the x approach to infinity. What's the range? What's the range of the function of x equal absolute value x minus 1? How to graph absolute value? Here, absolute value. Okay? Okay, but here, absolute value x minus 1, we shift this function to the right 1 unit. It will be like this. Okay? And then plus 3, we translate up 3 units like this. Here 3. So here, what's the range? Range start from 3 to infinity. Okay, it will be y greater than or equal 3, or how to write in interval notation, it will be 3 and infinity. Okay, so it will be letter C. Okay, number 39. What's the integral of circle whose equation we want to find center? Okay, here you have to know equation of circle. It's under the equation of circle. X minus h to the power 2 plus y minus k to the power 2 equal r square. Okay, relate to this equation. So h equal 2 and k equal negative 1. So center h and k, center. So here it's gonna be 2 and the negative 1. 2 and the negative 1. To find r radius, r square equal 4. So r equal 2. Okay, radius equal 2. Number 4. What's the length of AB? Ask me to find the length of AB. Here I have angle A equal 30 degree and angle 4 equal 45. So here we can apply law of sine. Law of sine. Law of sine, sine A over A equal sine B over B equal sine C over C. So here sine 30 over 8 over the opposite side equal sine 45 divide. He asked me to find AC, sorry, not AB, AC. Divide AC. Okay, divide AC. How to find AC cross multiplication? So here AC equal 8 times sine 45 divided by sine 30. It's going to be 8 times sine 45, 1 over square root 2. Okay, or square root 2 over 2, the same. Okay, sine 8 times square root 2 over 2 over here sine 3 equal half. Sine 3 equal half. 8 divide 2 equal 4. 4 square root 2 divide half. 4 square root 2 divide half mean multiply by 2 over 1. Can multiply by reciprocal of 1 over 2. Convert it by to multiply. Keep it change flip. It's gonna be 2 over 1. So it will be 2 times 4 equal 8 square root 2. 8 square root 2. If I want to find AB, you can write here sine. What measure of this angle? 45 plus 37.5. So here it's gonna be 105. 105 divide the opposite side AB and you can find AB. Okay. But here he asked me to find AC. Find number 41. Find the antiderivative of the function. Antiderivative mean integral. Okay, antiderivative mean integral. How to find the integral of 3x squared plus 1? Okay, it's gonna be 3x to the power 2 plus 1 over 3 or 2 plus 1. Okay, plus antiderivative of 1, it's gonna be x plus c. So here, simplify. So it's gonna be x to the power 3 plus x plus c. Okay, so antiderivative mean integral. How to find integral? Integral of x to the power n equal x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, integral of c is cx. Such that c is constant. Okay, in a number. 1, it's gonna be x2 to x like this. Okay. Number 42. If A 3, 4, okay, and here B is a vector 2, negative 1, then what's the value of 3A minus B? Ask me to find the scale. Multiply by 3 first, so it's gonna be 9 and 12 minus vector B2, negative 1. So it's gonna be here 9 minus 2, 7. 12 minus 1, it's gonna be positive 1, it's gonna be 13. So it's gonna be 7 and 13. The vector 7 and 13. Number 43. Which of the following quantities is a vector quantity? Vector. Vector has magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Here, car driving 30 kilometers, just magnitude. Okay. Swimmer covered distance 800 meters, also magnitude. Here, pushing car with force 70 Newton, magnitude. The stone fall down, direction. Okay, speed 90, okay, meter per second, this magnitude. So which one has magnitude and direction? This one. The stone fall down at speed 9 meters per second. Okay, this vector. Okay. Number 44. The image of the point 41 by reflection yx. Y equal x. Y equal x. X y. Y by reflection by x equal y. It's gonna be y and x. So you have to exchange and replace. Okay. So it's gonna be 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. To reflect across x-axis, it's gonna be x and negative y. Okay. To reflect y-axis, it's gonna be negative x and y. Okay. If AB 7 and 4, and here A D1 and B 4, 5, then D, find D. Okay. So here AB equal B minus A, B minus A. So here 4 minus D and 5 minus 1 equal to 7 and 4. 7 and 4. Here same 5 minus 1, 4. So here 4 minus D equals 7. 4 minus D equals 7. So D equal 4 minus 7 equal negative 3. Negative 3. Okay. We isolate D in one side here negative. The right hand side will be positive D and here 7 and 2. It's gonna be negative 7, 4 minus 7, negative 3. Okay. Number 46. when a body crosses an angle displacement of 3 pi, it's equivalent to pi equal what? Pi equal 180. Pi equal 180. So 3 pi equal 3 times 180 equal 540. Okay, to convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi over 180. Okay, and the convert vice versa, to convert from radian to degree, multiply 180 over pi, multiply 180 over pi. So here 3 pi multiply by 180 over pi. So it's going to be 3 times 180 equal 540. Okay. Number 47, log base to 5 plus log to base to 4. How to find this? We can use properties of logarithm. Attention with me. Number 1, logarithm base b of a, okay, or here a, okay, plus log base b of c. Here plus we convert to multiply, okay, plus we convert to multiply a times c, okay, and subtraction we convert to divide a over c, and here coefficient or quotient, product, like log base b a to the power m, okay, so it's gonna be m log base b of a, this product, okay, it's power product, and here subtraction is gonna be divide quotient, okay, this quotient product, and this multiply convert to add, okay. So here addition we convert to multiply, logarithm base 2 5 times 4, okay, it's gonna be log base 2 of 20, okay, log base 2 of 20. Attention with this properties of logarithm. Number 48, a stock in company had value of $90. 3 months later, $90. 3 months later, the same stock value went up to 96. 3 months, okay, later. So here 1, 2, 3, it's gonna be here 96. If it was assumed that the increase in the stock value was an arithmetic sequence means same difference. So here 90, it would be here 92, 94, 96. Okay, the difference here d equal 2. Okay, what's expected of the stock 7 months? Here 3 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here number 7. Okay, so it would be what's the number of this term? What's the order of this term in this arithmetic? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you can apply the rule of arithmetic sequence. Okay, number 8, term number 8 equal A1 plus n minus 1 times d. So it's gonna be, what's the value of A1 is 90 plus n here 8 minus 1 7 times 2, d difference here 2, 7 times 2 14 plus 90 equal 104, so it's gonna be 104 with arithmetic sequence. Okay, so it's gonna be an equal a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Number 49, in the rhombus ABCD, if AC equal 10, it told me that AC equal 10. Here, this rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other, so here is 5 and here 5, okay. And the BD equal 24, so here equal 12, bisect each other, diagonals bisect each other. And also that the two diagonals perpendicular, okay, are perpendicular, so here equal 90 degrees. Find side length. He asked me to find AD. Here, this triangle is the right triangle, is right. We apply Pythagorean theorem. Okay, here 5, 12, how to find the hypotenuse. It's going to be 5 squared plus 12 squared equal 25 plus 144 equal 169. Square root of 169 is going to be 30. It's going to be 30. Okay, so this side equal 30. You told me to find perimeter, you have to multiply by 4. 4 times 30. Okay. Number 50, if the shape was rhombus, what's the value of x? Asking me to find the value of x. Here, this rhombus, each opposite side are parallel. So these two angles are same side interior angle, same side interior angle. Both of them are supplementary angle. Their sum 180. So 3x plus 60 equal 180. How to solve this equation? Subtract 60 from both sides. So here 3x equal 120. Divide by 3. So it's going to be x equal 40. Okay, so x equal 40. How to find the value of x in the trapezoid? Okay, this mid segment. Okay, how to find value of x? Here 5x minus 2 mid segment equal half the sum of two bases. 6x plus 5 plus 11. This rule. Okay, the mid segment in trapezoid. Okay, equal half the sum of two bases. Half sum of two bases. So here 5x. We can multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Okay. First 2 we can multiply by 2. So here 2 multiply 5x is going to be 10x. 2 multiply 2, 4. And here cancel 2. It's going to be 6x plus 5 plus 11, 16. Okay. Subtract, combine like there. 10x minus 6x equals 16 plus 4. So it's going to be 4x equal 20. Divide both sides by 4. So x equal 5. X equal 5. Okay, how to check your answer? Here 6 times 5, 35. And here 5 times 5, 25. 25 minus 2, 23. Okay, so here 11 plus 35. And then find half sum. It's going to be 23. Okay, so here mid segment of trapezoid equal half sum of two bases. Here in the figure, this is the last question in this video. In the figure, if ABC, if triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, what's the value of x? Okay, the isosceles triangle means that the two sides are congruent, so you have to find the length, okay, of each side. How to find distance between 2 points equals x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here x2 negative 2 minus 0, 2, negative 2 square 4, 1 minus 3, 2 square 4. It's going to be square root of 8. Okay, this side square root of 8. Here also same, x minus 0 x square 1 minus 3, 2 square 4. So here square root x square plus 4 equal square root of 8. The two sides are congruent. Square both sides, cancel square root. Okay, so here x square plus 4 equal 8. So x square equal 8 minus 4, 4. So x equal 2. Okay, so the value of x here equal 2. Okay, equal 2. Not equal, we can't write positive. When you take square root, you have to write positive or negative 2. Okay, but here if you select negative 2, so it will be the same point, negative 2, 1. Okay, negative 2, 1. So this is the trinomial solution. Okay, you can't write x the value negative 2. So only 2. Okay, see you next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.